Push dog turn.
Rolling, I'm getting out of the way there.
Yeah.
Oh, he's got a grab.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector. Milepost 6.96. Track 2. W081 eastbound. Due to the fast medium approach medium. Maintenance locomotive CSX 34 laps.
You got better feel with the hydraulics. They all have papers on it. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector. Milepost 6.96. Track 2. No defects. No defects. Total axle 248. End of transmission.
2 to 4. 2 to 4. Went on.
Come out of the ball.
BE over. W081 BE. Hey guys, go up to Hollands Ferry Road, 3 Main to Hollands Ferry.
Oh, yeah, 3.
And tie your train down there, and you're going to cut away and drop your power into Locust Point. They're going to fuel at Locust Point, and you'll more than likely crew change there as well.
Oh, you done 3.
We're at Locust Point. Are we putting it? I'm not really sure. I figured with Mike as an engineer, with just light engines, he could probably get into the pocket or something like that, but more than likely that's where it'd be the pocket. But talk to Mike and see what he says. Okay. If there's any issues, just call me back. We'll figure something else out. Okay, yeah, I'm not qualified, but the engineer says he is. So. Yeah, we saw that coming in. So, yeah, I figured with just light engines, you know, maybe Mrazek can help you out there. But talk to the yard master at Bayview, who's Mike as well, and get a plan together. And when you're ready for a light, just give me a shout. All right, then we'll give you a shout there once we get tied down and ready for a light. All right, BE's out.